నమస్తే మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, నేను మీ సూర్యతేజ ఫ్రమ్ సాయిమేధ ఈసెట్ కోచింగ్ సెంటర్ కోటి హైదరాబాద్. డైరెక్టర్ జేసీ సార్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో శశికాంత్ వాల్మీకి సార్ పర్యవేక్షణలు నిర్వహిస్తున్న సాయిమేధ కోచింగ్ సెంటర్ కోటి హైదరాబాద్ ఈసెట్ 2023 రాసిన విద్యార్థులందరికీ మీరు అబ్జెక్షన్స్ పెట్టుకోనికి వీలుగా ఉండాలి అనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఈసెట్ పేపర్స్ అన్నిటిని బిట్ టు బిట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి ఈ వీడియో లెక్చర్ సిరీస్ మీ ముందుకు తీసుకురావడం జరిగింది. కాబట్టి మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఎవరైతే ఈసెట్ 2023 రాస్తారో, ఎవరైతే క్వశ్చన్స్కి ఆన్సర్స్ తెలుసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నారో, పూర్తి డీటెయిల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఈ వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ని ఖచ్చితంగా వాచ్ చేయండి. అలాగే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికీ కూడా ఈ వీడియో లెక్చర్ సిరీస్ని షేర్ చేయండి. దీంతో పాటుగా మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఎవరైతే ఈసెట్ 2023 రాస్తారో వీళ్ళందరికీ సాయిమేధ కోచింగ్ సెంటర్ కోటి హైదరాబాద్ ఒక ద్రోణాచార్య బ్యాచ్ ని ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేస్తుంది. గత 25 సంవత్సరాలుగా ఎంతో మంది ఇంజనీర్లు తయారు చేసిన సంస్థ సాయిమేధ కోచింగ్ సెంటర్ కోటి హైదరాబాద్ డిప్లొమా విద్యార్థులకి అండగా బాసటగా నిలవన ఉద్దేశంతో ఈ బ్యాచ్ ని మీ ముందుకు తీసుకురావడం జరిగింది. ఈ బ్యాచ్ లో భాగంగా మీ అందరికీ మొదటిగా మీరు బీటెక్ లోకి వెళ్ళిన వెంటనే ఇబ్బంది పడుతారు అనే ఉద్దేశంతో, ఆ ఇబ్బందిని పోగొడితేనే ఫ్రీ మైండ్ తో ఉంటేనే పని బాగా చేస్తారనే ఉద్దేశంతో బీటెక్ 2-1 అకాడమిక్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ని ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. బీటెక్ 2-1 అకాడమిక్ సబ్జెక్ట్సే కాకుండా సిఆర్టీ క్యాంపస్ రిక్రూట్మెంట్ ట్రైనింగ్, దీనిలో భాగంగా ఆప్టిట్యూడ్, రీజనింగ్, ఇంగ్లీష్, అదేవిధంగా సిఆర్టీకి కావాల్సిన బేసిక్ కోడింగ్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ సి కావచ్చు, C++ కావచ్చు, జావా కావచ్చు, పైథాన్ కావచ్చు, వీటన్నిటిని మనము లైవ్ క్లాసెస్ ద్వారా అందిస్తాం. దీంతో పాటుగా థర్డ్ వన్ డిప్లొమా బేస్డ్ జాబ్స్ టెస్ట్ సిరీస్, మీరందరూ సంవత్సరం నుంచి కావచ్చు, సెకండ్ ఇయర్ కంప్లీట్ అయిన దగ్గర కావచ్చు, ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ కంప్లీట్ అయిన దగ్గర కావచ్చు, ఈ సెట్ కొరకు ఇంజనీరింగ్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ బాగా ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యారు. ఇదే ఇంజనీరింగ్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ అనేది మీకు రేపు డిప్లొమా బేస్డ్ జాబ్స్ కూడా ఉండడం జరుగుతుంది. కాకపోతే మీరు రేపు జాబ్ పడినప్పుడు రెడీగా ఉండాలంటే కన్సిస్టెంట్గా ప్రిపరేషన్ అది అవసరం అవడం జరుగుతుంది. కన్సిస్టెంట్గా మీరు ఆల్రెడీ మీ అందరూ బాగా ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యారు, మీకు సపోర్ట్ ఉండాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఒక టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ కూడా మనం ద్రోణాచార్య బ్యాచ్లో ఇంక్లూడ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఈ టెస్ట్ సిరీస్లో భాగంగా ప్రతి వీక్ టాపిక్ వైజ్ గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్లు కండక్ట్ చేస్తాం. టాపిక్ వైజ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మనం మిక్స్డ్ టాపిక్స్ ఆర్ మిక్స్డ్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తాం. ఫైనల్ గా ఓవరాల్ గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్లు కండక్ట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. 1 ఇయర్ పాటుగా మీకు డిప్లొమా బేస్డ్ జాబ్స్ యొక్క టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ కోర్స్ అందించడం జరుగుతుంది. దీంతో పాటుగా 2 ఇయర్స్ వ్యాలిడిటీతో ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఇండియాలో ఎవరు తయారు చేయలేని విధంగా మన సాయిమేధ కోచింగ్ సెంటర్ కోటి హైదరాబాద్ ఒక గేట్ కోర్స్ని రెడీ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఆ గేట్ కోర్స్ విత్ వ్యాలిడిటీ ఆఫ్ 2 ఇయర్స్ అందించడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈ 4 మాడ్యూల్స్ మనము ద్రోణాచార్య బ్యాచ్లో అందించడం జరుగుతుంది. దీని విలువ సుమారుగా ₹1,00,000. కానీ ఈ కోర్స్ మొత్తాన్ని ఫ్రీ ఆఫ్ కాస్ట్గా అందించడం జరుగుతుంది. జస్ట్ ఈ 2 సంవత్సరాల మెయింటెనెన్స్కి, అదేవిధంగా టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ కోసమని రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఫీజ్ ₹3,000 అనేది తీసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఎవరైతే డిప్లొమా కంప్లీట్ చేసుకుని బీటెక్ వెళ్తున్నారో వీళ్ళందరికీ ఒక మంచి అవకాశం ఇది. కాబట్టి ఈ అవకాశాన్ని మీరందరూ ఉపయోగించుకుంటారని ఆశిస్తున్నా. మీరు ఈ అవకాశాన్ని వినియోగించుకోవాలంటే ముందుగా మీరు మన అప్లికేషన్ స్పేస్ గేట్ అనే అప్లికేషన్ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేయండి. డౌన్లోడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత అందులో ప్రొఫైల్ సెక్షన్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ ప్రొఫైల్ సెక్షన్ మొత్తాన్ని ఫిల్ చేయండి. ఫిల్ చేసిన తర్వాత మీ అడ్మిషన్ ప్రాసెస్ కోసమని 9848692598 ఈ నెంబర్కి కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వండి. అడ్మిషన్ ప్రాసెస్ ఎట్లా, అదేవిధంగా ఇంకేమైనా కోర్స్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఏమైనా కావాలంటే కూడా పూర్తి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అందించడం జరుగుతుంది. మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, మీరందరూ ఈ అవకాశాన్ని వినియోగించుకుంటారని ఆశిస్తూ నేను మీ సూర్యతేజ ఫ్రమ్ సాయిమేధ ఈసెట్ కోచింగ్ సెంటర్ కోటి హైదరాబాద్.
Now next part, u is equals to x cube plus y cube divided by x minus y, and if x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equals to ku, as we are having homogeneous, for homogeneous actually listen carefully, for homogeneous we are having one condition. Whenever we are having f of x comma y, let us take this part as homogeneous function. So what we are having means f of lambda x comma lambda y, it is equals to lambda power n into f of x comma y. Then we are calling it as a homogeneous function. So whenever we are having this homogeneous function, we are having the direct formula as a x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y, it is equals to n into u. Okay, this part we are having over here, that is the direct formula. So first what we have to do, whatever the u part, u means f of x comma y, f of x comma y is equals to x cube plus y cube divided by x minus y. This is a function we are having. Now we have to check either it is homogeneous or not. How we can check now? In the place of x we have tried lambda x. In the place of y what we have tried? Lambda y. After writing that we have to take lambda power as common. After taking lambda power as common, the remaining part should be become what? Same question. So let us try this part. F of, in the place of x we have tried lambda x, in the place of y we have tried lambda y, it is equals to, over here lambda x whole cube plus lambda y whole cube divided by lambda x minus lambda y. Okay, we are having this part. Now this cube, if you are giving for separate lambda and x means lambda cube into x cube, lambda cube into y cube. So what we can take as common over here, lambda cube we are taking as common, then it will become x cube plus y cube divided by, in the numerator we can take lambda as common. If you are taking lambda as common, then what is the remaining part? X minus y. So 1 lambda gets cancelled over here. So leftover part is lambda square into the remaining part. It is looking like our question. So what we can do now? F of x comma y. Now what is n value we are having? Because we have to take n value. Lambda power n means whatever the power we are having over here, that power will become what? N value. N is equals to 2. So the answer for this part is 2u. 2u means what is k value we are getting over here? K, it is equals to 2. Okay, k, n, we have taken n in the formula. Over here k is given, means k value is equals to 2. Okay, option 3 is correct. Now next part, the maximum value of log x by x. Maximum value of log x by x. So if you are having this function over here, listen carefully. F of x is equals to log x by x. First what we have to do, one time we have to differentiate, then we have to take equal to 0, we have to find out stationary point. Okay, after finding stationary point, then one more time we have to differentiate, then we have to go for the value. Okay, now listen carefully. So f dash of x is equals to, it is looking like u by v. U by v means x square we have taken over here. X we have written as it is. Log x will become what? 1 by x minus log x we are having as it is. X will become 1. Okay. Now we are, as I have told you, f dash of x, it is equals to 0. For what purpose? For finding a stationary point. For finding stationary point, we have to take this condition. Now what's the condition we are having? This x gets cancelled. 1 minus log x divided by x square, it is equals to 0. This x square we are sending over there means 1 minus log x equals to 0. Now next, minus log x over there means 1 is equals to log x. If you are sending log to the other side, means then it will become what? X is equals to e power 1. E power 1 means what? X is equals to e. We got x value. We got stationary point over here. Now what we have to do? This is the first step we are having. F dash of x equals to 0, first step. Now f double dash we have to do over here. What is f dash of x we are having? F dash of x equals to 1 minus log x divided by x square. This is f dash we are having. Now whenever we are performing f double dash of x is equals to, again it is looking like u by v. U by v means what we can do, this part we have to x square whole square means x power 4. Now x square we are writing as it is over here, 1 will become 0 minus log x will become 1 by x minus 1 minus log x we have written as it is, x square will become what? 2x. Okay, this part we have taken. Now next what we are doing means this 1x gets cancelled over here, it is equals to minus x minus 2x, minus into minus plus 2x into log x divided by x power 4. We are getting this case over here. Okay. Now what we have to do means, listen carefully. After doing f double dash of x, whatever the value we got over here, we have to substitute in that question. Okay, we are substituting in that question. So if you are substituting in this question means, now what will happen? This is equals to minus 3x plus 2x log x divided by x power 4. Okay, which is equals to, now we are substituting x value e. If you are substituting e means log e value, log e is equals to what we are getting over there? 1. Okay, so this part is minus 3e and log e value is equals to 1, then x value is equals to e means plus 2e divided by e power 4. Then it is equals to what we are getting the answer, minus 3 plus 2e means minus e divided by e power 4. So as we are getting the answer as minus, so which is what we can say, minus means it is less than 0. Okay, it is less than 0. Only we have to find, listen here carefully, after doing double time differentiation we have to find out only whether it is getting less than 0 or greater than 0. If it is less than 0, then we will be getting maximum value. Then we will be getting what? A maximum value. If we are getting greater than 0, then we will be getting minimum value. Okay, what is the condition we are having? If you are getting the answer as less than 0, then we will be getting maximum value. If you are getting greater than 0, then we will be getting minimum value. Okay, so over here as we are having less than 0, then we will be getting maximum value. We will be getting maximum value. But this is not maximum value. This is not maximum value we are having. Only we came to know that it is maximum value. Now what is maximum value means? This x value we have to substitute in the question. So as x value if you are substituting in the question means log e divided by e, which is equals, log e value is equals to 1 by e. So this is the answer we are having. Okay, 1 by e. We have to directly substitute that answer. 1 by e means which option will be correct now? Second. Okay, what we have done first, one time differentiation. One time differentiation we got the x value. Second time differentiation only it is for identification. If it is less than 0 we will be getting maximum value. If it is greater than 0 it will be minimum value. But this answer whatever we are getting less than 0, greater than 0, that answer what we are getting, that is not minimum value, maximum value. Only we came to know that when we are taking this value we are getting maximum value. Okay, so that x value we have to substitute in the question, then we are getting the value as a maximum value. Okay, so this is maximum value. Now let us see next question now. The maximum value of the function 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x plus 4. Then let us check this one. Suppose if you are taking f of x, f of x is equals to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x plus 4. Okay, now we have to differentiate this part. F dash of x is equals to what we are getting, 3 2s are 6x square minus 6x minus 12. Okay, now we are having the condition as f dash of x equals to 0. Okay, we have to take equal to 0 over here. If you are taking equal to 0 means 6x square minus 6x minus 12, it is equals to 0. We are taking 6s common. If you are taking 6s common means x square minus x minus 2, it is equals to 0. Whatever the 6 we have taken as common we have sent over there, it will become 0. Now if you are taking out the factors, what we can write over here, x square minus 2x plus x minus 2, it is equals to 0. Now let us take x as common. If you are taking x as common means it will be x minus 2 plus 1 as common means x minus 2, it is equals to 0. Now we are having x minus 2 as common over here. X minus 2 we have taken. Then next is what? X plus 1, it is equals to 0. Now we are having two x values. X is equals to 2 and x is equals to minus 1. Okay, we are having two values over here. Now one time differentiation we have completed. Now if you have completed this one time differentiation, then let us go for double time. So f double dash of x, it is equals to, now this part is f dash of x. Now we have to differentiate one more time. So it will become what? 12x minus 6. Okay, we are having this part. Now after this whatever that x values we got, we have to substitute over here and we have to check whether it is greater than 0 or less than 0. So first we are checking f double dash of 2. If you are substituting 2 over here, so 12 2s are 24. 24 minus 6 is equals to 18. So as 18 means what we are having, greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then we are getting what? Minimum value. What we are getting? Minimum value. So if you are taking x is equals to 2, what you are getting? Minimum value you are getting. But what we have to find? Maximum value we have to find. So let us take one more value, f double dash of minus 1. Minus 1 means 12 into minus 1 minus 6, which is equals to minus 12 minus 6 means minus 18. Minus 18 means what? Minus 18 means less than 0. Whenever we are having less than 0, we will be getting which value now? Maximum value. Okay, like this we have to identify. Only for identification. If you are taking 2, then we are getting minimum value. If you are taking minus 1, then we are getting maximum value. But this whatever the answers we got, that is not minimum value, maximum value. If you are taking minus 1 means we are getting maximum value. Then what we have to do means, for finding maximum value, what is our question we are having over here? F of x is equals to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x plus 4. Now in this question From where we are getting the maximum value? Minus 1. Now we have to substitute x value is equals to minus 1 in the question. So 2 into minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus 12 into minus 1 plus 4, okay, which is equals to. So this part will become 2 into minus 1 minus 3, then minus into minus plus 12 plus 4, okay. So this is minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3 means minus 5, okay, and this part what we are having 12 plus 4 is equals to 16. So what is the final answer? We are having 11, okay. So maximum value is equals to 11. 11 means the third option is correct. Now next part, if u is equals to f of x plus ay plus g of x minus ay, then dou square u by dou y square is equal to. We have to find out this value, dou square u by dou y square. First let us do one time differentiation. Dou u by dou y with respect to y is a new. Now if you are assuming this part as y over here, f of y will become what? F dash of x plus ay, okay, we have written this. Now this assumed part we have to differentiate with respect to y only. Y means x will become what? Constant will become 0 and this ay will become a, okay, we have written this part. Now next again, if you are assuming this part as y over here, g of y will become what? G dash of x minus ay, okay, we have written this. Now this assumed part one more time we are differentiating with respect to y means x will become 0 and this part it is what? Minus a, so we have written minus a over here. This is dou u by dou x. Now one more time we have to differentiate. So dou square u by y square it is equals to, again if you are assuming this part as x over here, a we have written constant. If you are assuming this part as y means f dash of y will become what? F double dash. So we are taking f double dash of x plus ay, okay. Now this assumed part one more time we are differentiating with respect to y means x will become constant 0. So we are getting one more a into a means a square. Now next part, minus a we have written as it is. Again if you are assuming this part as y means g dash of y will become what? G double dash of x minus ay, and this assumed part we are differentiating with respect to y, x is constant means minus a, minus into minus plus a square, okay, like this we are getting. So we are getting the answer as dou square u by dou y square it is equals to a square we can take as constant, common, a square is common, the remaining part what we are having f double dash of x plus ay plus g double dash of x minus ay, okay, like this we are having the answer. But this answer it is not given in the options, okay. So now what we'll do means let us do one more point. Just now what we have done, dou square u by dou y square we have done. Now let us try to find out the value for dou square u by dou x square. So dou u by dou x is equals to, if you are assuming this part as x over here, f of x will become what? F dash of x plus ay we have taken, and this assumed part if you are differentiating with respect to x it will become 1, y will become constant 0, so we are getting the same. Similarly over here also we are getting this part as plus g dash of x minus ay. If you are differentiating that assumed part with respect to x means answer will be 1. Now one more time let us differentiate. Dou square u by dou x square it is equals to, again we are differentiating this part as, we are assuming this part as x, f dash of x will become f double dash of x plus ay, and we are differentiating this assumed part means answer will be 1 only. Now next plus g dash of x means g double dash of x minus ay we have taken, and if you are differentiating this assumed part with respect to x, y will become constant means answer will be 1 only, okay. Now you can see this part, f double dash of x plus ay plus g double dash of x minus ay. So in the place of this complete part what we can write, a square we are writing as it is, in the place of this complete part we are writing it as dou square u divided by dou x square, okay. Now let us check the options what we are having. Dou square u by dou y square is equals to a square into dou square u by dou x square, means the third option is correct. Now if the curve y square is equals to 4 of x plus 1 and y square is equals to k of 9 minus x cut orthogonally at 1 comma 1, then k is equals to. Now what is the meaning of orthogonal condition actually? Whenever two curves are given and it is given orthogonally, two curves are orthogonal means m1 into m2 it is equals to minus 1, okay. This is a condition we are having. So first let us take this part over here, y square we are having it is equals to 4x plus 4. If you are bringing this complete part over here means y square minus 4x minus 4 it is equals to 0. This is one curve we are having. and next curve we are having it as y square is equals to k9 minus kx. If you are bringing complete part over here means y square minus k9 or 9k plus kx, it is equals to 0. These are the two curves we are having. Now listen carefully. Now this question, it is actually in the form of implicit differentiation. When we can say implicit differentiation means f of x comma y equals to 0. Means whenever we are having all the terms, all the x variables, y variables on the one side, other side is 0, then we are calling this part as implicit. So for this implicit we are having one of the shortcut, that dy by dx is equals to minus dou f by dou x divided by dou f by dou y. Okay, this is a shortcut we are having. Means minus we have to write in the numerator, then we have to differentiate partially with respect to x. In the denominator we have to differentiate partially with respect to y. Now let us see this one. So dy by dx, it is equals to minus we have written in the numerator. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x. So y will become constant. If y is constant means answer will be 0. So this is 0, this is 0. For this we are getting the answer as minus 4. Okay, divided by. Now we are differentiating with respect to y. Y square will become what? 2y. Okay. So m1 value it is equals to minus into minus plus 2 ones. What is y value we are having? Y value is equals to 1, means 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 2s are. So we are getting the answer as 2 over here. M1 value is equals to 2. Now let us go with this part. Again implicit form we are having. So what is the shortcut we are having over here? Dy by dx, it is equals to minus we have written in the numerator. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x means what we are having over here, this y will become constant 0 0. So this part means k, we are getting k over here, divided by. Now we have to differentiate with respect to y. With respect to y means 2y. Now m2 value is equal. So what is y value we are having? 1. So minus k by 2. M1 value, M2 value we have completed. Now as the condition is given as orthogonal, let us substitute these values over here. M1 value as 2 we have taken, into M2 value as minus k by 2 we have taken, which is equals to minus 1. This 2 gets cancelled, minus k is equals to minus 1, minus gets cancelled, k it is equals to 1. Okay, so k value we are getting, it is equals to 1. So option 1 is correct. Now next, the stationary point and the corresponding stationary value of the function. We are having one function over here, we have to find out stationary point and the stationary value. Okay, now let us see this. First we have to differentiate this part. F dash of x, it is equals to x cube will become what? 3x square minus this part will become what? 6x minus 9. Okay, this part we have taken. Now whenever we want to find out stationary point means we are having one condition as f dash of x, it is equals to 0. Okay, this condition we are having. So let us take this part. 3x square minus 6x minus 9, it is equals to 0. Now if you are taking 3 as common over here, it will be what? X square minus 2x minus 3, it is equals to 0. Whatever the 3 we have taken as common over here, that 3 we are sending to the other side, this is a leftover part. Now let us do factorization. What we can do now? X square minus 3x plus x minus 3, it is equals to 0. If you are taking x as common means what is leftover part? X minus 3 plus 1 as common means x minus 3, it is equals to 0. So one is x minus 3 we are having, another is x plus 1 equals to 0. So x is equals to 3 and x is equals to minus 1. This is a stationary point. We are having two stationary points over here. So once let us check the options what we are having. We are having the options as 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Means minus 1, this stationary point is given, 3 is not given. So we are not taking this part. We can do that part also, but as we are not having the option, let us neglect that part, and we are taking the stationary point as x only. Now for finding stationary value, what we have to do means whatever the function we are having, what is the function we are having? Question f of x, it is equals to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 22. So whatever this stationary point we are having, this stationary point, if you are substituting in the question, then we are getting stationary value. Okay, so let us substitute this part. F of minus 1, it is equals to minus 1 whole cube minus 3 of minus 1 whole square minus 9 of minus 1 plus 22. Okay, which is equals to minus 1, this part will be minus 3 plus 9 plus 22, okay, which is equals to, this part is minus 4, 9 plus 22 means plus 31 we have taken, okay, then it is equals to minus 4 plus 31 means what we are having 27. So this is stationary point and this is stationary value. Stationary point, stationary value. Minus 1 comma 27. So minus 1 comma 27 means which option will be correct? Second option. Okay, second option is correct.
So let us look at the questions which are asked in integration, that to indefinite integration. Indefinite integration lo elanti questions adigadu enni chuddam okasari. Question number 36 and shift to, now I am discussing the shift paper. Okay, 36 question number. Look at the question here. Integration of e power x into 2 plus sin 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. You all know 1 plus cos 2x is nothing but 2 cos square x. 2 cos square x. Okay, so let me write here. Yes. So integration of e power x is as it is I am writing here, and as 1 plus cos 2x nothing but 2 cos square x, divide both the terms. 2 cos square x toti first term ni second term ni divide cheyandi. Em avutundi appudu 2 by 2 cos square x plus sin 2x is nothing but 2 sin x cos x by 2 cos square x, and just dividing the denominator to the both the numerator terms. Okay, try to observe here. See, 2 gets cancelled and 2 of course gets cancelled, cos gets cancelled. Therefore the question is e power x into, this is secant square x. This is secant square x. Is it okay? Chalo, done. This is okay. Right. Secant square x plus sin by cos. Sin by cos means tan x. Sin by cos means tan x, right? Tan x into dx. And we all know the formula, integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. Integration of e power x plus integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x form unte em rastam manamu e power x into f of x rastam. Therefore our answer is e power x into tan x plus c. That's it. E power x into tan x plus c. That's it. Third option is the right answer. A formula follow ayani ikkada, integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x plus c. F dash of x dx unte what you will write? E power x into f of x and follow avtam manam, that is e power x into tan x plus c. Third option is the correct answer for this question. Let us look at,
If you see the next question, the question is integral of 0 to pi 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x dx. 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x dx. This is the question they are asking. Right. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫార్మ్ 1 by a plus b cos x ఫార్మ్ లో ఉంది. ఎప్పుడైనా కూడా ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫార్మ్ 1 by a plus b cos x ఫార్మ్ లో ఉంటే మనము కాస్ ని ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ tan x by 2 లో మారుస్తాము. tan x by 2 లోకి మారుస్తే మనకు స్టాండర్డ్ గా రిజల్ట్ రానికి అవకాశం ఉండడం జరుగుతుంది మనకు అక్కడ. రైట్. ఈ మోడల్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి ఫస్ట్ నేను ఈ టర్మ్ ని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తున్నా. మనకి తెలుసుంటే డైరెక్ట్ గా రాయొచ్చు, కానీ మీకు ఒక్కసారి అవేర్నెస్ ఉండాలి ఉద్దేశం ఇక్కడ క్లియర్ గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నా. 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x. I am writing this one as 1 divided by 5 plus cos x can be written as 1 minus tan square x by 2. 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. 1 plus tan square x by 2. సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది సార్? నాకు అక్కడ 1 divided by 5 into 1 plus tan square x by 2. 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 4 into 1 minus tan square x by 2. 1 minus tan square x by 2 whole divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. 1 plus tan square x by 2. 1 plus tan square x by 2 అంటే secant square x by 2. 1 divided by a by ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి అది న్యూమరేటర్ షిఫ్ట్ అవుతుంది. షిఫ్ట్ అయితే మనకి ఏమవుతుంది సార్? నాకు అక్కడ we are getting it as secant square x by 2 divided by, మొత్తాన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే 5 plus 5 tan square x by 2 plus 4 minus 4 tan square x by 2. 5 plus 4 nothing but 9. 5 tan square x by 2 minus 4 tan square x by 2 gives plus tan square x by 2. tan square x by 2 అంటే వీడు మొత్తాన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే వీడు రావడం జరుగుతుందంట. therefore ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ 0 to pi secant square x by 2 divided by 9 plus tan square x by 2 dx. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏమనుకుంటున్నాం సార్ అంటే I am assuming that ఇప్పుడు మనం డెఫినెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ సింప్లిఫై చేయడానికి I am assuming that tan x by 2 equal to t. tan x by 2 ఈక్వల్ టు t అనుకుంటే వీటిని డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేస్తాం. డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ tan secant square x by 2 ఇంటూ 1 by 2 ఈక్వల్ టు dt by dx. Simplifying what we are getting, secant square x by 2 into dx ఈక్వల్ టు 2 dt. ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మచ్, 2 dt. రైట్, మనం వేరియబుల్ మార్చినాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ లిమిట్స్ x కి ఇచ్చిండు, ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ t లోకి మార్చాలి. కమన్ చెప్పండి, x 0 అయినప్పుడు t ఈక్వల్ టు tan 0 by 2. tan 0 by 2 అంటే tan 0, నథింగ్ బట్ 0, అంటే t ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమవుతుంది సార్, 0నే. మరి x పై అయినప్పుడు t ఈక్వల్ టు tan pi by 2. tan pi by 2, tan pi by 2 is nothing but infinity. అంటే నాకు లిమిట్స్ 0 to pi కాస్త ఎలా మారుతున్నాయి, 0 to infinity. secant square x by 2 కాస్త secant square x by 2 కాస్త 2 dt, 9 plus t square. ఇవి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్స్ అన్ని చేస్తే వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ ద రిజల్టెంట్ ఈక్వేషన్ యాజ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ 0 to infinity 2 dt divided by 9 plus t square we are getting. 9 plus t square we are getting. 2 common this, then integral of 0 to infinity dt divided by 3 square plus t square. It is the one of the 9th standard integral, 1 by a square plus x square. The correct one is 2 into, we are getting 1 by 3 times of tan inverse of t by 3, tan inverse of t by 3. ఎందుకు సార్ అంటే ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ 1 by a square plus x square dx is given by the formula 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, tan inverse of x by a. ఇది మనకు వచ్చిన ఫార్ములా ఓవర్ ద లిమిట్స్ 0 and infinity, ఓవర్ ద లిమిట్ 0 and infinity. రైట్, ఇప్పుడు లిమిట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే అప్పర్ లిమిట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినప్పుడు 2 by 3 into tan inverse of infinity. tan inverse of infinity is nothing but pi by 2 minus lower limit substitute చేసినప్పుడు 2 by 3 into tan inverse of 0. tan inverse of 0 is nothing but 0, అంటే ఈ టర్మ్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడ 2 క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే ఫైనల్ గా మిగిలిన వాడు ఎవరు సార్, నాకు pi by 3. ఫైనల్ వాట్ వి ఆర్ గెటింగ్, pi by 3. is there in the options, it is there in which option, option 2. therefore it is only the correct answer. Moving on to the next question. The question is the length of arc of the curve y equal to log secant x from x equal to 0 to x equal to pi by 3. Actually this question is out of syllabus. మన సిలబస్ లో ఎక్కడ కూడా లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్క్స్ గురించి లేవు. మనం నేర్చుకునేది ఏరియాస్, వాల్యూమ్స్, RMS అండ్ మీన్ వాల్యూస్ నేర్చుకుంటాం. అది కానీ వాడు లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్క్ క్వశ్చన్ కాదు, మనం అవుట్ ఆఫ్ సిలబస్ కింద క్లెయిమ్ చేయొచ్చు. కానీ మీకు తెలియాలి కాబట్టి నాకు అక్కడ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్క్ ఫార్ములా చెప్తున్నా. ద లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్క్ ఈస్ గివెన్ బై ద ఫార్ములా integral of lower limit to upper limit under root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. 1 plus dy by dx whole square. This is the formula to find the length of the arc. అంటే ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏం చేయాలి సార్, y కి dy by dx కనుక్కోవాలి. చెప్పండి, dy by dx కనుక్కుంటే ఏమొస్తుంది, we are getting dy by dx for the derivative of log 1 by x, కానీ x ప్లస్ లో secant x ఉంది కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ secant x ని డెరివేట్ చేస్తే we are getting it as secant x into tan x, secant x into tan x. Finally what we are getting, tan x. This is the d by dx. Length of arc లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే లోయర్ లిమిట్ 0, అప్పర్ లిమిట్ pi by 3 under root of 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x. What is the formula for 1 plus tan square x? Secant square x. Root of secant square x is nothing but, this can be written as integral of 0 to pi by 3 root of 1 plus tan square x అంటే ఎవరు సార్, నాకు secant square x. secant square x రూట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం ఎలిమినేట్ చేస్తే ఫైనల్ వి ఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ 0 to pi by 3 secant x dx. Integral of 0 to pi by 2 secant x dx. Here I am simplifying. What is the integral of secant x? Integral of secant x is log of secant x plus tan x over the limits 0 and pi by 3. First limit substitute చేద్దాం. Upper limit substitute చేస్తే we are getting log of secant pi by 3 plus tan pi by 3 minus lower limit substitute చేస్తే log of secant 0 nothing but 1 plus tan 0 nothing but 0. Simplify చేస్తే secant pi by 3 value is 2, tan pi by 3 value is root 3. Simplifying what we are getting? దీని మొత్తాన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేసి నన్ను ఈ టర్మ్ ఎలాగో జీరో అయిపోతుంది, log 1 జీరో కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ secant pi by 3 వాల్యూ వచ్చేటప్పటికి 2, tan pi by 3 వాల్యూ వచ్చేటప్పటికి root 3. అంటే ఫైనల్లీ వాట్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ log of 2 plus root 3, log of 2 plus root 3. This is the condition. Actually this question is out of syllabus, but the answer is first one only. If we say the next question, the question is integral of 1 to 4 root x plus 1 by root x dx. First మనం డైరెక్ట్ గా నార్మల్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అప్లై చేసిన తర్వాత లిమిట్స్ అప్లై చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ రావడం జరుగుతుంది. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ రూట్ x? ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ రూట్ x is 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 plus integral of 1 by root x. Integral of 1 by root x is 2 root x over the limits 1 and 4. First upper limit substitute చేద్దాం. upper limit substitute చేస్తే 2 by 3 times of 4 power 3 by 2 plus 2 root 4. This is the upper limit value minus lower limit. What is the lower limit? 2 by 3 into 1 power 3 by 2 plus 2 root 1. 2 root 1. ఇక్కడ 4 power 3 by 2. Simplifying 4 power 3 by 2. It can be written as 2 square whole power 3 by 2. 2 square whole power 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 cube, which gives a value of how much? 8. Right? Simplify చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది సార్ మనకి ఇక్కడ 2 by 3 into 8 plus root 4 is nothing but 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 2 by 3. The next one is minus 2 by 3. Next one is minus 2. Simplify చేస్తే 16 by 3 minus 2 by 3. 16 by 3 minus 2 by 3 gives 14 by 3. 14 by 3. 4 minus 2 gives plus 2. Simplifying what we are getting? LCM is 3. 14 plus 6 gives a value of how much? 20 by 3. 20 by 3. Therefore the correct answer is 20 by 3.